Okay, start. Go ahead and bring your thing up. There it goes. He's bringing it up. Nice and slow. There you go. Okay, bring your other one up. Bring your other one up. So nice and slow. Good job. Okay, that's good. Okay, kind of start over now. Now bring him down. Bring him down real slow. You watch it close. There it goes. Bring it just to where you know it's supposed to be. A little bit more, just a little bit. So you feel the tractor go up. A little bit more. Tiny bit. There you go, that was perfect. Other side. Look at that. You're doing great, bud. Okay, a little bit. Just where it comes up. A little bit more. There you go. Okay, let's go side to side now, like I taught you. Real slow. There you go. You can go a little bit faster. There you go. Look at you. Okay, the other way. Whoa, good job. You stopped. See, it can go fast, huh? Okay, go real slow. You're doing great, buddy. Look at that. All the way. Keep going. Perfect. Okay, now back this way and we'll get it straight. Get it perfectly straight. Look at you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Look at that. A little more. Now that's perfectly straight. Nice, Ty. What do you have to say to the camera now that you're a good tractor driver?
I'm gonna dig.
Say, I'm gonna dig and I'm gonna make money.
I'm gonna dig and I'm gonna make money.
Lots of money.
Lots of money.
Okay, we're gonna shut the video off for now. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.